Morning. Good morning. Hello, hello. Happy Monday. Happy new week. How's everyone doing? I'm kinda loud for real for a early morning on a Monday. Hola. New week, new opportunities. I don't know why I'm so excited for today. Oh, we gotta be careful this week because most likely it's gonna be a slow week because of the holidays, but at the same time, we have a bunch of data coming up tomorrow and I think on Wednesday too. Nice reaction here on ES and SPY. Really nice reaction.
Fine, I hold 70, which is the pre-market high.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, good
Morning.
morning.
If you look at the statistical footprint, I know volatility is high, so the daily zones don't mean much, but we've already completed the open high low close. Well, not the close, but the open low high statistical range on the daily. Statistical low for a bullish day is at like 390-ish to 375, and the statistical high is at 700.
Curious if this pre-market high is going to hold at 70, but it doesn't look like it.
What do you guys think of this week?
I think we're bullish this week,
Yeah, me too.
personally.
I'm bullish for the end of the day, the year, to be honest.
I think this week, forget the whole year, just this week,
Mhm.
be careful,
Oh yeah,
right?
this week,
Like
yes.
short week, holiday week, be careful.
Mhm.
Size down, take precautions, don't press. We could get some funky action. Just putting it out there for anybody that hasn't traded some of these short weeks, these holiday weeks, they can get a little odd.
Yeah.
Take your setups though. Don't not take your setups, but just be careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna trade just like I did the past few weeks, just taking base hits and be done with my day. I've been doing that the
I love
past
that.
few weeks and I've been doing really, really good.
I find them buyers off of this expansion legs 50% so far for NQ.
I like this NQ hold. Looks pretty good. Do we have data today?
No.
Okay. I know we have a lot of data tomorrow and maybe Wednesday too, right?
Interesting 2-minute close there on ES, back over 70. Oh, interesting. Very interesting.
Last week I bought a bunch of pretty much everything but Apple. No, I bought a bunch of Bitcoin, Nvidia, Palantir, Robinhood, Oracle.
Thinking we're kind of finishing the lows for a little bit, or just trying to average in a little.
Mhm. I really like this NQ hold. The problem is a little bit ES. It's under 678, previous day high.
Yep. It's trying to hold 70, but it's struggling, right? And that's your pre-market high there too. So like I don't love where ES is. don't want to really see ES below 60. Not ideal.
I want it to go to 0.
What do you say?
I want it to go to 0.
I mean, I don't love that. Feels a bit aggressive if I'm going to be honest.
I know. Imagine. Just reset the whole system, bro. That's it.
That's listen, I don't think that's what I want.
Reset the matrix.
YM is dumping.
Okay.
Jeez.
I'll slip in there. Okay.
Oh, Bitcoin's at 85K. I want Bitcoin to go to 50K or at least 60.
Pop and fade environment. Well, technically speaking, NQ never closed that gap while ES did. The overnight gap.
Yeah, now we have an opening gap.
Mm-hmm.
Fair value gap?
You have 2 gaps now.
Yeah, NQ is really strong. So I'm curious to see what happens when we do sort of tap into the gap.
Down to what? 360. It's a little ways down though. It's a nice hold of 600. We're really trying to hold 600 here
Yeah.
on NQ.
QQQ,
Which
really
is
nice
good.
VWAP hold. SPY
Yeah,
reacting.
and it's QQQ is also holding previous day high up at 596 3/4, give or take, or 597-ish. It's interesting here. Again, I'm still a little torn, right? NQ looks like it's a good spot. ES does not look great.
Yeah.
In terms of where it is, right? Locationally.
Damn, Sasha out here like making money too in the morning.
With gold?
I guess she traded. What did she trade? No, it doesn't show. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it was gold. Yeah. This 15-minute
Really,
candle on
still
ES looks
80,
nasty.
87.5, 90, 92. That area has some has some order sitting there on ES. Otherwise, really nothing else. A little bit at 650 on NQ, but it's really nothing. It's very little. So not a lot on Bookmap, really. Thing I'd say is it's interesting. We kind of go pull 55, 57, and then go for a push up to that higher. But too many candles are hideous on NQ. 60-point 2-minute candles over and over again.
Okay, so why is NQ so strong? Nvidia is pretty weak. Let's see. Apple is holding pretty
SMH.
good.
SMH actually.
But
Amazon looks pretty solid.
oh yeah, SMH.
Google looks pretty good. I mean, everything
There's
else kind of
Oof,
2,000
AMD.
aggressive buyers off NQ's open.
Microsoft looks ugly.
SMH, Meta, and Tesla. I mean, there's only one that's down. Two people, two
Two people.
of them are down. Nvidia and Microsoft.
Microsoft. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Nvidia and Microsoft are both down. Everything else looks pretty good. So I just don't love ES here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I like NQ.
That's why I didn't go long
Just
on NQ, because I don't like how ES is reacting.
Yep, I don't either.
I did divergence.
Yuck. That's ugly.
YM taking out London low.
RTY.
All right, here goes ES trading into the opening gap. Let's see what happens here. Buyers sort of defend.
We take the 50. We got 45 has some orders now. 45's got some orders stacked up on ES. Got a bunch of orders stacked up on ES at 45. If we take them. Wow. We're gonna miss them by a point or two? Kidding me? Holy moly. Like 200 cons at 45 on ES. All right. Interesting.
NQ fighting previous A high. Let's see if it's really gonna hold here.
NQ's fighting for its life.
Yep.
ES held there pretty good too.
Yeah, it held
Right.
What a bounce
volume,
here at
a PLT actually.
600.
I don't.
Damn, gold is moving up again.
ES is defending that gap.
Mm-hmm. So hold there.
That was pretty fast. Okay. I wanted to see like a small green candle. I was waiting for that to go long. here on NQ.
Have to chase this now.
No.
Damn, gold held last week's POC to the T. Shit, missed it.
You guys getting
A little over
TPT
70 on
accounts
ES.
with the 30% off plus no funded fee plus getting back that if you get your first payment?
I did not get any TPT yet. I'm waiting to see how everything plays out.
With what?
So, I'm sure we'll see other firms come out with some stuff too. I'm waiting to kind of see how things shape up this week.
I think Apex is gonna extend the one that it has, to be honest.
Yeah, it ends tonight, right?
It ends tonight. Most likely they're gonna extend it for the rest of the week. Because Black Friday is on Thanksgiving's on Thursday.
It'd be silly for them not to do something where everybody else is going to have a sale going into the weekend and they won't. That'd be a mistake.
Yeah, I think they're
It's actually a pretty good deal. It's actually one of their best deals that they've had, if you think
Yeah,
about it.
that's their best one right now.
Cheaper
Absolutely.
than everything.
Yep.
Even it beats the 90% off because that still more. This is less than the 90% off
Yep.
sale that they usually run.
Because the activation fee.
Yeah, that's where they get you. If you don't take that into account, then
yeah. So
you're like,
with
oh, 90%
80%
off.
off plus $40 for the activation
I'm trying
fee,
a long here on NQ.
it's like
I'm long at
75.
639.
Gold again. It's treating me well. Where's Sasha at? Where's she at? She took the day off. She already made her money.
After you get funded, which one do you use, monthly or lifetime? With the promo that they have right now, you gotta go with the lifetime. It's only $40.
Yeah. You're not gonna get that again.
Yeah.
$40. From here on out, it's gonna be $85.
Yep.
I paid for mine today. Shit, I gotta. X, don't yell at me. I got a meeting.
I do too. It's okay. Not gonna yell.
Oh, X, I gotta tell you. You know how I was like, I have a my funded futures account.
Yeah.
I passed it, right? I thought I passed it. I made like $1,900 the second day, and they're like, "No, that's too much." I'm like, "Isn't that above 50%? Isn't like I made over the amount that I needed." They're like, "No, you gotta make $400 more." I'm like, "Are you fucking kidding me, dude?"
Oh my God. Ugh. Consistency stuff is ridiculous. I mean, I get it. Don't get me wrong, but still, pain in the ass.
Over 50%, you can't make over 50%. Like, but it's a second day. Like, we're supposed to just pass it in 2 days. Like, what does it matter if I made stupid rule? It's just too sharp.
Yeah. You made 1,500 the first day, right? So you're like, okay, I can make 7,000. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. 1,400.
That's asinine. Amped, what's your PT on this, buddy? What are you looking for?
Four of my positions going to get off at 681.
Okay.
And then I have another at 721 at the highs, and then one at 840.
Good. So huge. At 66.68, we just took 200 cons on ES. We have a bunch of cons down at 66.55 and at 45, but 200 each. NQ, we have a little chunk up at 693, 692. So okay, I got a meeting. I'll be right back. This should be short. We'll find out. Be right back.
I use Tradeify. Whoa, okay.
All right, first target hit. I'm going to break even. Second target is at the highs. Well, actually, second target should be at 709. Well, no, I'll put it at the highs.
720 around there.
I have 709 as a key level. I was thinking about putting it there, but I'll put my second target because I'm thinking long at
With
the
mini or
highs we put in
micros?
this morning. Micros. I was in 5. I took 3 off for
Nice.
30 points or 40 points. And then
Yeah, you can
I
easily
just
just
have
leave
2
one.
runners.
You can leave one.
Yeah.
One
Took
runner.
another one off there. And then I have one going up until 840, which I have a structural 50% at 843, which I would suspect like a reversal or at least a pause or something. So ES held the opening gap, traded back below the daily open for New York session. Back over previous day high. YM took out London's low and straight ripping. Not ripping, but good reversal. I'm up 97 points on my runner.
NQ was a perfect pullback long here. 600, 580. Perfect pullback long off of the previous day high. Beautiful. We have Nvidia waking up. Apple is pretty weak now. That's why the market's moving a lot now. Nvidia is pretty bullish. Okay, let's see if ES can really hold here. I want to see ES holding 680. And if NQ can pull back and hold these previous resistance as support, also will be nice. We have ES rejecting morning high. Apple very weak now. Maybe that's why ES is having so much trouble here.
Nice MDS. 20 accounts secured.
Nice.
I'd love to see Yankees stay above 709 here. like to see ES hold previous day high as well. But YM could be putting in a lower high here.
I
ES
never watched
sweeping the
YM,
intraday
to be honest.
high.
Never.
Yeah, I just kind of started looking at it, but just trying to get a good correlation on all three markets. Okay, really good hold of 709 there for NQ at the moment. NQ already held previous day high.
Yeah.
Down at 596.
I like this pullback on NQ. I wanted to see it holding above 682. I just don't like ES. I don't like how ES is having so much trouble here.
Yeah, I really want to see ES hold previous day high here at 677.
Okay, I like that bounce on ES and NQ.
There's the actual previous day high
I'm gonna
retest for
try
ES.
ES long here.
Oh, whoa.
What was that?
This
My runner's at
675 is 50% too of that leg. Interesting.
my stop is break even, which is underneath 50% of this last structure, but
I want to see
I
ES
mean, even a
holding
wick would
670.
line in the sand for me on NQ is at 650. I mean, but yes, failing previous day high again is poopy.
Nvidia is looking pretty weak now.
Oh, what was that?
Okay.
To my favor, so let's keep that going.
Yeah. Yeah, I
So
wanted to see
that's a
NQ
really
holding
quick blip right there.
680. Okay.
Day is back over previous day high.
Come on, yes.
Oh yeah, that was off of this last leg's 50.
Is anyone, do we have like somebody talking and speaking right now that it's moving? This candle is weird. It's moving weird.
Um,
Or any news? Do we got any news?
No, it was like that on Friday too. Pretty volatile.
Okay. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna start taking some profits here. That was weird, but I take it.
I'm really trying to keep hands off on this runner. It's kind of difficult.
I'm holding 4 runners.
But this is a really good,
Take
structural
more here.
setup, really. We've just been putting in higher highs and higher lows since 5 a.m. or 3 a.m. my time. So, yeah, since 5 a.m. New York time.
I'm just gonna hold
5-minute
these
chart
2
around there is really
runners.
clean.
And my stop loss is gonna be this 5-minute candle low.
That was a really good 5-minute closure on NQ at 709 there, which is a pretty big swing low.
The problem that we have is I think Apple and Nvidia are pretty choppy.
I'm trailing my runner to 702. One NQ. Sort of a 1-minute imbalance there. I kind of want to see hold. If we make a lower high here, I think we might trade down to my break even, which I kind of don't want. Make like a 2-legged pullback. So my runner is 62 points trail profit. I'm up 90 points.
Yeah, I think ES and NQ look pretty good as long as we keep holding previous 5-minute candle low. That's around
Yeah,
670 on
664.
ES.
Yeah, it's a good previous day high hold on ES. They're clearly struggling here though at like 86s.
ES is much easier today than NQ. I think every day ES is much easier to trade than NQ. I think ES definitely easier to read, also less volatile, and because of the contracts are less, like, move less by point, so it's, for me at least, it's easier to manage. Yes. Can we hold it here? Nvidia week, Apple week.
All right, my trail got stopped in profit. So good trades. That was a good trade. I'm up 460 across all accounts.
Nice. Nice hold here on ES. Really like this hold. Same thing with NQ.
Bro, the slippage on this copier is insane.
I want to see ES moving to 700 and then 710. Can we do it?
Bro, I'm confused as to why my profit is so different across all these accounts. I mean, one's like $40 off, and I'm going through them, and they all have the same exact trade execution labels.
You had 7. Oh, realized today. Yeah, yeah,
Bro, what the hell?
that's a lot. Yeah, 489 and then the other one 454.
Yeah, and they all have the same trade execution labels. So they all, at least on the chart, it says they all executed at the same price. And all these were pretty much limit orders. All of them. Limited in, limited out on all of them. So it makes no sense. And I don't think the spread is too crazy, is it, today?
No, because I'm not having like a big spread like yours.
And it's only 5 micro. Like, it shouldn't be that big of a discrepancy. Yeah, Kaji, I know like there could be delay on maybe executing all at the same time, but I mean the trade execution labels all, unless I can go through like the actual trades. Let's see.
Yike. I don't like these candlesticks. Yeah, NQ keeps holding 680, which is good. Oh. Come on, yes, just give me 700 already. Yeah.
Okay, so the entry price is like a 4-point discrepancy between the accounts. But even so, 5. So 1 point for 1 is 210. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Still, dude.
Okay. Okay. I like that. Beautiful 680 bounce again on NQ. Come on, yes, give me 700. Yes, still holding previous day high as support, which is bullish.
Yeah, Kashi, what trade copy are you using for that? Your stop loss like what platform and trade copier is that from?
Beautiful hold.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do one and done today for these accounts. I'm really trying to stay in the mentality of like I want to take these accounts for months.
Yeah. Are those
So $400
Apex
on 5
PAs?
micros is really good. Yeah, Apex PAs.
Nice. Yeah, that's you made over $400. Why you need more? You don't need more.
No, yeah, no, I don't need more. That was a really good trade. Yeah, that's it for me on these.
Exactly. It's not about the money. It's more about like you made a really good trade and the market's moving funky. So you don't need more. That's more than enough.
Yeah.
We've been stuck for 30 minutes, over 30 minutes now. Yeah. Okay. Come on, do it. Give me 700 already. Push. Do it. Wake up. We keep reacting here at 89, 88. Okay. Push. Go. Now. Another reaction here. Man, ES needs to break 690. Go, wake up. Okay. Push. Beautiful.
All right.
Now keep going.
That's it for me today.
You're free
I
this
will see
week?
y'all tomorrow. Nah, I
Nah?
gotta go to work tomorrow. The rest of this week, I'm just off today. And I think
Okay.
I'll be off for Thanksgiving too.
That's good. The market is closed, right? Or closed half of the day on Thanksgiving.
I think the market might be closed with futures half day.
Okay. If we can make a higher low here, that would be beautiful. Yep. Go. Do it. Yike. Okay. Nice. Give me more. Come on. Give me another push. Go. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss to this 5-minute candle low. I want to see ES holding here. I want to see it holding this little resistance here as support now. And that will be my stop loss now. Ah, don't like that move. I want to see a strong candle close here. Okay. Don't like that. I don't like how these candlesticks are forming. I almost got stop out there. I'm gonna sell one more because I don't like how this market is moving, holding just one runner. super happy with my trade today. I like my patience today. We got a very nice read of the market. Very nice pullback long play here. Clean, very clean trade. That was what I like to see me doing particularly. I don't really care about my P&L. I care about what type of trade I'm doing. If I'm doing stupid trades or I'm following my plan. I'm waiting for a break and retest off of previous day high. That's very clean 101 technical analysis, right? So that's all we need. A little bit weird price action, but still is respecting the levels. But honestly, guys, I don't think we can ask for much this week. Most likely it's gonna be a low volume week. Most of the time a low volume week means choppy price action. Surprisingly, NQ is way cleaner than ES today. Come on, give me 700 already. Okay, we're about to hit 700. I'm just gonna move my stop loss higher and then just keep riding this bullish move. Beautiful trade. Who's in this trade with me? That was clean. We only need one good trade and done. It's gonna keep moving my stop loss higher and holding this runner. NQ, nice. NQ even better if you're doing it with NQ. A pullback here is very, very possible. Okay. Yeah, now here we have a lot of resistance above. 713 will be the next one. Yeah, I will say here. It's your first time here? Welcome, welcome to the stream. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video, guys. How often do you stream? Do I stream? You can read down below. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop loss higher. Or you can read it right on the side. This side, I think. What a move. Man, today couldn't be more clean. Break and retest off of previous day high, both on ES and NQ. If every day were like this.
How'd you do today?
Pretty good.
ADR?
On a long on ES, holding one runner.
Nice. What's your target on it?
It was 700, so now I'm only like trailing my stop loss.
Yeah.
Now I can see it going maybe to 710, 713, but I do think we're gonna have a pullback before that. Maybe a pullback to 690, but I'm not gonna be here holding my last runner. If pulls back to, if it loses, I will say this 5-minute candle low.
Beautiful uptrend.
Yeah, so it was pretty clean. What do I think about Meta? I posted what I think about Meta on my watch list for today. You have it there. Mhm. Can ES give me 710 before pulling back here? Can we get that? Apple is waking up.
Damn. Wow. Top Step just did it, huh?
What happened with Top Step?
Look at what Ganja said on the sent on the chat. No activation fee.
No activation fee? Or new?
Yeah. No. No activation fee.
But it's $200, over $200 still.
No. 50,000 is $89.
Mm.
A hundred
Oh, okay, okay.
thousand
I
is
see it. Yeah, yeah.
139.
89. Yeah, I see it.
That's actually amazing. $89. That's never.
How far
That's never happened.
how far out will
Wow.
you buy a medical? 3 months out? I'm not swing trading options right now in this market, to be honest. I'm buying shares on dips, but I'm not swing trading options for the last month of the year. I like it more just looking for base hits with futures, be done with my day after trading 1 maybe 2 hours every morning, and that's it.
I think we're gonna get a pullback here on ES.
Yeah, I got to stop out there. Beautiful trade. Very happy with my day. I'm done.
Beautiful indeed.
Very, very clean.
Are you done for
Very
the week
clean
or are
day.
you gonna be here tomorrow?
No, I'll be here tomorrow, yeah. Yeah, I'll be here
Wednesday is a
tomorrow.
half a day, right?
Wednesday? I thought it was just Friday.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
6707. 6707, that's also a. I'll show you actually. Kaji. Did you answer Kaji's question, ADR?
No. No.
I just have that as a fib level. Kaji. I mean, it is kind of an area where, like a pivot area. Yeah, you could see that it is. But we broke above it and we broke below it. So yeah, it kind of, I guess, kind of is.
What was the question? I'm sorry.
He asks if 6707 is a. Do you see that as a resistance area?
67.
Because of
Oh,
because
yeah,
of
yeah.
Friday's.
I did answer that.
Was it
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Friday or-
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm done for the day, guys. My whole, like, for the last few days of the year, I'm just gonna look for very clean setups, taking one trade, maybe max 3, but all I want to do is take base hits and be done with my day. I don't want to be here watching charts all day. And I'm noticing that whenever I take my first trade is green, those are the best days for me, because if I stay here and try to take any other trade, I most of the time I gave back some of my profits. So I will say my whole theme for next year is trading less. Every year I'm taking less and less trades and doing less and less hours of trading and watching charts. But yeah, beautiful day. I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Oh, and remember to like the video, please. Thank you. Bye.